Welcome back. In today's episode, we're inside a rental property facing a simple replacement that wasn't so simple. Cramped space, drainage problems, and a water heater weighed down by years of sediment. The work begins with preparation. Every connection must be perfect. No leaks allowed. The conservative plumber starts by applying Teflon tape and pipe dope to the water heater nipple. This simple step, done carefully, ensures a watertight seal. A 3/4 inch brass D is threaded on, the first piece of a precisely built assembly. No torque wrench, just experience. This is the part that's more feel than force. Next, a 6-inch brass nipple is prepared, taped, doped. And threaded into the side of the T. Every turn matters. The plumber applies dope to the other end of the nipple, then threads on a 3/4 inch brass 90-degree elbow. The foundation of this thermal expansion tank connection is taking shape. Now comes one of the most trusted tools in the trade, the Knipex Swedish pipe wrench. With it, the 90-degree elbow is tightened, drawing the nipple securely into place. Attention to detail matters. The plumber ensures that the nipple is snug, then makes final adjustments to align the elbow perfectly straight. A new 3/4 inch by 2-inch nipple is prepared, again taped and doped, and threaded into the top of the T. Each step is deliberate. Each joint must hold up to time and pressure. Using the Knipex wrench once more, the nipple is tightened with precision, proper torque, no more, no less. Clean work is a hallmark of a professional. The plumber removes any visible excess Teflon tape. A small touch that speaks volumes about pride in the job. The plumber applies the tape like a pro, and he cleans it like a legend. Then, with a rag, the joints are wiped down, removing excess pipe dope and leaving the assembly clean and ready. After securing the connections, the final touch is all about detail. Every fitting is wiped clean, leaving no residue behind. It's time to move on. The drain hose is disconnected from the old heater. The next phase begins. An appliance strap is set in place to assist with lifting. The old heater, heavy with sediment, has not drained completely, adding to the challenge. With careful effort, the heater is lifted off the stand, quickly set down, then maneuvered through the narrow closet door. A dolly is then used to transport the old water heater out of the garage. The entire process demands both strength and patience. At the next step, the plastic drain valve is struck with a hammer, breaking it off to release the trapped, sediment-filled water. The water drains out, carrying years of build-up, a visual reminder of why annually draining and flushing is necessary. The new water heater arrives, transported on a dolly. It's guided carefully toward its new home. But even the best laid plans meet resistance. A tight fit. Then, a simple decision: pull the dolly out. The heater is already inside. Now, the lift, heavy and awkward. The unit is raised by hand onto the stand, a task requiring focus and more strength. Small adjustments follow. The plumber shifts the unit carefully to center it, ensuring it's level and securely on the stand before moving on. A flex water supply line is attached to the cold inlet. This line will deliver the heater's incoming water, one of many small connections that matter. The old SharkBite supply line is no longer up to the task. It's removed. In its place, a new PEX ball valve, and a short section of PEX tubing. Using compact PEX crimpers, the plumber secures the rings tight, consistent, and leak-free. The flex supply line is bent into position and inserted into the new PEX pipe. Another crimp ring is tightened, finishing the cold water supply side. Next comes the hot side. Another flex supply line is carefully threaded onto the heater's outlet, ready to carry heated water back into the home. The hot supply line is now cut cleanly, then prepped with a new PEX crimp ring. The flex line is bent and aligned with the fresh section of PEX connected by a solid brass coupling. The new pipe is trimmed to size, another crimp ring added. The flex line connects, completing the hot water side of the heater. With precision and pressure, the rings are crimped into place. No leaks, no second chances. With connections complete, the next step is making sure the system can handle what's coming. An expansion tank is installed, pressurized beforehand to match the home's water pressure. It's a small component with a big role. No leaks, no stress, good to go.
Here while we mentioned the beat dropped in and I got it right back. I spit it with the dancer man conservative track. Yo, Mr. Conservative, I love you, man, for handing all the damn gifts out, and that's a plan.
And yo, that's a plan that got me riding through the Hummer, just like my man Conservative Plumber. And you know I've been a bummer on the scene. I'ma kick it to your ass, I got it ripping up the creek,
and it's way too clean like